Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Welcome back to your social studies class. Today in this module we are going to continue with our political science chapter, forms of government. So let's start. Before moving further, let me first remind you to please like and subscribe to my channel also. In our previous class, we have studied about the democratic governments and the authoritarian governments. Today, in this module, we are going to learn about the parliamentary and presidential forms of government. These governments are based on the extent to which the executive and the legislature are dependent or independent of each other. Let us learn about these in detail. Parliamentary government. Parliamentary government is a government in which the people vote for that political party which they feel that can best represent their views of how the government should operate. This means that the voters vote for that party which makes them feel satisfied. So, this is the government which is totally elected by the citizens. Our country, India, is also a democratic republic with a parliamentary system of government largely based on the United Kingdom model. While in contrast to this is the presidential government. In presidential democracy, the executive and the legislative branches are elected separately by the citizens. This form of government can be found in the countries like United States of America, Brazil and Sri Lanka. Now let us understand in detail how these governments are elected. In presidential government, voters elect the legislature and the chief executive who is a part of executive branch only, and the legislature and the executive, they both work independent of each other. While in the parliamentary system, voters elect the legislature, then the head of the government is elected on the basis of the number of members the political parties have in the legislature. The leader of that party becomes the prime minister or the chief executive. Now we can easily differentiate between the parliamentary form of government and the presidential form of government. So, one of the major difference is that under the presidential system, the legislature and the executive are separate. There is separation of powers. While in the parliamentary form, the executive is a part of the legislature only and there is fusion of powers. Other differences are, in the parliamentary system, Prime Minister is the leader of the majority party which is elected by the people, and in the presidential government, President is directly elected by the people. In parliamentary, the Prime Minister and the cabinet ministers work together. There is a collective leadership. While in presidential, President work independently. There is individual leadership. In parliamentary, legislature is the supreme authority, while in presidential, President is the supreme authority. In parliamentary, there is dual executive, means a system in which a president exists alongside a prime minister and a cabinet, while in presidential, there is only a single person who does not share power with others. In parliamentary, President is the head of the country and Prime Minister is the head of the government. He takes all the important decisions. While in the presidential, President is the head of the country also and he is also the head of the government. But there are some similarities also present in both of these government. In both systems, citizens only elect the lawmakers, whether it is a prime minister or a president. And these elected leaders heads the military and runs the government also. So, both of these systems are for good governance, and these two are efficient in their tasks also. So this is your home task that you have to do in your notebook. If you have any query, you can write to me in the comment box, but do mention your name and section. You can ask me in the WebEx classes also. Thank you for watching, students. Take good care of yourself.